Welcome you guys to ZD's English Club. Let's practice some real English dialogues. First sentence. से आम भरोसार लायक नुह अर्थ से एमती लोक जहाँ पर कि आम भरोसा करिपरिबानी बा से गोटे भरोसा योग्य लोक नुह. He is not worthy of our trust. He is not worthy of our trust. सेठी पहुँचवाकू अति कम रे गोटे घंटा लागिजिबो. It will take at least an hour to get there. It will take at least an hour to get there. किंतु आम पाखरे गोटे घंटा समय नहीं. But we don't have an hour. But we don't have an hour. केही आमको देखिबा पूर्वरु आमर चली जिबा उचित. We should go before someone sees us. We should go before someone sees us. तुमको काम शेष करबा केते समय लागिबो? How long will you take to complete the work? How long will you take to complete the work? तुमको काली जाए अपेक्षा करने को पड़िबो. You will have to wait until tomorrow. You will have to wait until tomorrow. मु सेबे जाए अपेक्षा करि परिबिनी. No, I can't wait till then. No, I can't wait till then. तुमे तो यही काम बहुत समय रु करूछ. You have been doing it for a long time. You have been doing it for a long time. यह बहुत आगुर हो जावा उचित थिला. It should have been done long ago. It should have been done long ago. जेते जल्दी होई परिबो एठा को चली आसो. Please come here as soon as you possibly can. Please come here as soon as you possibly can. एते जरूरी नथिले मु कॉल करि नथांती. I wouldn't have called you if it wasn't urgent. I wouldn't have called you if it wasn't urgent. जेते जल्दी होई परिबो मु सेठी पहुंचबा को चेष्टा करबी. I'll try to get there as soon as I can. I'll try to get there as soon as I can. तांकु मध्य नै आसो. Bring him as well. Bring him as well. कोन तुमरो एबे भी मो ऊपर संदेह अछि? Are you still suspicious of me? Are you still suspicious of me? मु तुमको 1000 थर कहिछि. I've told you 1000 times. I've told you 1000 times. मु जानिनी कोन होइथिला. I know nothing what happened. I know nothing what happened. मोते वास्तव रे जणा नहीं तांको सहित कोन होइथिला. I really don't know what happened with her. I really don't know what happened with her. मोते तुमको केते थर एही कथा कहबा को पड़िबो. How many times do I have to tell you this? How many times do I have to tell you this? आमे माने बहुत बड़ा विपद रे अच्छे. We are all in grave danger. We are all in grave danger. यह केवल तुमरी पई. It's only because of you. It's only because of you. तुमे यह करि नथांत कि? I wish you hadn't done that. I wish you hadn't done that. सेथिरे मोर कोन जाय आसे. What has it got to do with me? What has it got to do with me? ମୋ ବିନା ତୁମର ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବା ଉଚିତ ନଥିଲା। You shouldn't have gone there without me. You shouldn't have gone there without me. ମୁଁ କେବଳ ଏତିକି ଜାଣେ ଯେ ସେ ଜୀବିତ ଅଛି। All I know is he is alive. All I know is he is alive. ସେ ସେଠି କୋଉଠି ଅଛି? He is out there somewhere. He is out there somewhere. ତୁମେ ମୋତେ କଥା ଦେଇଥିଲ ଯେ ତୁମେ ମୋ ସାଥ ଦେବ। You promised me that you would stand by me. You promised me that you would stand by me. ମୁଁ କିଛି କଥା ଦେଇନଥିଲି। I made no such promise. I made no such promise. ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ଭୁଲ ଶୁଣିଥିବ। You must have heard me wrong. You must have heard me wrong. ମୁଁ ତାହା କେବେ ବି କହିନଥିଲି। I never said that. I never said that. ଏବେ ତୁମେ ବି ମୋତେ ମିଛ କହିବା ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଦେଲ। Now you too have started lying to me. Now you too have started lying to me. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope ए वीडियो आपको सीखा मिली। So please वीडियो को लाइक करंतु एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु जदि अपन चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना। थैंक यू एंड टेक केयर। कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग। बाय।